Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Still working on under the dash here, working on mounts for electronics. So I have been working on this piece of aluminum here, and it looks like a aluminum paint stir stick, but it fits right in here, right in between there. So we're going to drill out a hole right here that if there's an existing hole in the dash here, we're going to drill that out in the aluminum, tap it, and then bolt this piece to the dash. And then on that firewall end, we're going to add a just a little mounting tab, drill a hole through all of that, and then tap the aluminum over there and bolt that to the firewall. And that'll give us the first start for bolting up the computer and a couple other electronics here. So that's where we're at. It's pretty late in the week already. I don't know how far we'll get this week, but we'll at least get this thing started. So let's get to it and just see how far we can get done. All right, couple late nights this week, but still making some progress. We have our computer mounted here, the ECU, and I think this is where I want to put the wideband commander and the Rife sensors 5-volt block there. I got these two pieces of aluminum cut down, cut into place, drilled, tapped, and bolted in place. So the computer's bolted in, and those aluminum brackets are bolted in. We'll try to get underneath here. You can kind of see them. So what we did was I cut some angle steel, welded it to the firewall down there, and then drilled a hole through it, tapped the aluminum, and bolted the aluminum in. And then same thing on the dash side here. We just kind of used one existing hole, drilled another, and then tapped the aluminum and bolted it all in place. So anyway, this is looking good. Big step forward towards getting ready to start wiring this thing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.